Hey there, TRW crew. Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you the process of creating an awesome monogram rhinestone decal. Using your templates from our TRW Super Font, using the Bling Anything material, and then obviously our brush, some Crystal AB hot fix rhinestones, and our workstation here. We're going to be pressing with our 16x20 Hotronix auto clam. I'm going to show you how easy this process is, so stick around to see how. Alright, so what we're going to use in this video is our actual pre-cut templates from our TRW Super Monogram font that's available on the website. And just for watching this video here today, this is actual a typable TrueType font that you can use in any software out there. It's going to have a vector version to use with signed vinyl and heat transfer vinyl, and also a rhinestone version of the Circle Monogram font. And you're going to get it for 60% off just for watching this video using this coupon code right here. The link is right below the video here on YouTube. So I'm going to show you the process and how easy it is to customize on the spot with rhinestones, making a car decal or a computer decal or whatever you want. You can use smaller SS6 stones. You can do it for a cell phone case or something different. So use different colors of rhinestones. Accent it with heat transfer vinyl as well to make a pretty cool multi-deck decal as well. Similar to this one right here where we did the initials and then we added the glitter heat transfer vinyl and then stones around it. So today we're going to be making one just with stones, but show you how easy that process is to do a 3-letter monogram, but the font has 2, 3, and 4-letter options. So let's get over here to our workstation, pick out our letters, start brushing these in, and show you how easy this process is. Alright, so we're now over here at our workstation. You can see what I did, and the way that this file comes to you is all of these letters have these boxes around it. They're already lined up for your Silhouette Cameo or whichever vinyl cutter you have. You just send it to your cutter with the Magic Flock template material. It's going to cut out all of the letters of the alphabet like you see right here. So let's say I wanted to do one for my daughter, and her initials are MVB. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, I'm going to grab my M letter, okay? And this is how easy this process is. It's pretty amazing. I'm going to grab my M. Now I need my V, and that's going to be my middle letter. Now all the boxes are the exact same size, so all I need to do is come over here and line up this V with this B right here, and just make the box the same size, and there's my V, and then I'll come back with my B for the 3rd letter. So what the big benefit of this is, in using the Magic Flock template material that we created, is you're going to be able to custom make a decal for anybody. It doesn't matter what their initials are, because you have every single letter in the alphabet. So when I bring this B in here and lay this down, there's my perfect circle of my monogram right there. Okay, so let's move these off to the side. Let's grab my Crystal AB SS10 rhinestones that we have available on the website, of course. Drop some of those in. I'm going to use my monster brush here. Let's go around in big circles. Once I feel like most of them are in, then what I'll do is I will start to brush them away. And the way that we created our template material is we created it to be that perfect height for all different types of stones and stone sizes. So with our template material, unlike some of the others, you can actually do SS6 stones as well. So once you feel like most of them are in, you're just going to brush away the excess stones on the top. So I got right all of my excess stones. Let's brush all these out of the way. And I always like to just peek from the bottom, make sure everything looks good. That all looks amazing. Now I'm going to grab my hot fix tape. Alright, so I have my hot fix tape here. Let's just go ahead and drop that down right on top. I'm just going to go over this with my hand real quick. Make sure they're all lined up good, which it looks like they are. Peel this off. And we are good to go. So I am completely done with this design right here. Now if I wanted to, I could accent around it a little bit too. And by that I mean grab my circle area right here, okay? And if I wanted to add some stones around my circle here, and I could do this in a different color, and that's where it would look really cool. So being able to add multiple colors, because even with my actual monogram, if I wanted to, I could have very easily done one color in red stones, one color in green stones, one in the crystal AB stones, and completely made it a really unique and cool looking design. Well, same with this. I can bring this back over and then just line up my MVB right there perfectly. And you can see how it all lines up perfect every time. Let's go ahead and lift that off. And now I have my actual monogram with the circle around it. So you have the option of adding the circle or not adding the circle. So now what we're going to do, we're going to hop over here to the heat press, and let's go ahead and press this to the Bling Anything material. Alright, so now we're over here at the press. I'm set at about 310 to 315 degrees. I have my Bling Anything material, I have my shiny side, and I have my dull side. So I'm going to just go ahead and trim around this a little bit, because I don't want as much of the hotfix tape on there. It means I can just use less of my Bling Anything material, right? Now we're going to measure out my Bling Anything material. I know that that's a good size for it right there. So let's go ahead and trim that off. And then let's go ahead and get this bad boy pressed. So I'm going to peel that off. I'm going to drop it right onto the clear area of my Bling Anything material. And if I wanted to, I could do 10 of these at a time, 15 at a time. Doesn't really matter. So loosen my pressure just a little bit. Now I'm coming down for about 10 to 12 seconds on this initial press here. I had it set at 15 right now, but 10 to 12 is going to be fine. So I'll pull it up here at about 5 seconds. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to find the edge of my hotfix tape, which is right there. And let's go ahead and peel that off. Okay, so now that we have that, we're almost done. Only thing I like to do, turn it upside down. And then I'm going to press it for about an additional 5 seconds. And this is what I call my insurance press. Good with that. Let's bring this back. And now we have what's now our finished decal. All we need to do is trim around it. Alright, so now that we have our decal done, all I'm going to do, and I can trim pretty close to these stones too. I'm just going to trim around this decal. And this is what's going to basically allow it to release and have the adhesive back behind it, which is basically turning it into a sticker. So, good with that, and there is our finished rhinestone decal ready to apply. Alright, now when it comes to applying this decal, it's very easy for the customer. All they're going to do is peel off this carrier sheet here, clean off their window, find a nice spot to put it on. I'm going to throw this one right here. I'm going to line it up with the line right there along the back of the car. Everything looks perfect there. And then we're just going to go ahead and lie it down. Now the Bling Anything material, what's nice about it is it's so clear. As I press this down on here, that clear Bling Anything material over time is just going to kind of disappear into the window here. So there we go. We're good to go. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video on creating a monogram rhinestone decal and showing you how easy it is with our TRW Super Font. So the Super Font, I'm going to put a link, like I said, right below this video. You'll use this coupon code right here to get 60% off this font for watching this YouTube video here. And I'm also going to put a link at the ending here, and you'll see a little video in the corner on how to use this Super Font and create some pretty awesome designs. So thanks for watching guys. Of course, make sure to click that like button. Comment below if you have any questions, and make sure to click that subscribe. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you soon. Later.